everyone, I'm Winwyn Marquez and we're now here for the Clinique de Paris shoot, and I'm so excited because it's my first time doing this with them. My first time really working with Clinique de Paris in this kind of shoot. They showed me the pegs, ang gaganda. I saw yung how they handle everything. I hope I can give justice to the photos. Sana, para happy lahat. You know, kasi it's a different stage, you know, Miss Universe Philippines and my other pageant. Siyempre, I always have a hairstylist with me. So they help me with my confidence, diba? They have extensions, I have makeup on. So on that day, I feel so confident. But pag uwi ko, postpartum, diba? Bago kapanganak ko pa lang, I kind of feel very vulnerable because you see yung hair mo nalalagas pag gising mo, pagligo mo. Even if I'm breastfeeding, nakikita mo talaga yung hair. So, nawawala yung confidence. But then, with the solution with Clinique de Paris, like I'm telling the makeup artist and the hairstylist na sobrang proud ako kasi dati may mga spots talaga ako na walang hair na. Now, you see growth. And hindi lang growth sa hair, feeling ko pati growth sa sarili ko kasi parang na-realize ko, meron palang solution. So, dapat I won't be to be hard on myself kasi there are people then and mga ways na makakatulong doon. So, I think I got my crowning glory back my hair. So, even if walang hairstylist, confident ako sa bahay na rin. So, yeah, I think dun ko nakuha ulit yung I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be beautiful with or without a glam team. I looked at at myself during those times. I was just reminding myself, I know it's hard kasi I don't wanna lie. Nahihirapan ako sa itsura ko and all. But at the end of the day, if there are people, again, I'm gonna go back there. It's not weakness to ask for help. Call somebody or find somebody that could help you with your problems. And that was one of my problems. And by that way, ini-empower ko din yung mga girls na wag matakot humingi ng tulong. Kasi I think it's very intimidating. Sasabihin nila, wala, ano lang yan, face lang yan, or wala, kaya mo yan, nag-iinerte ka lang. But no, if you need help, ask someone. If you have a problem with your hair, ask Clinique de Paris. Simple as that. I'm feeling like myself, but more. I'm not scared to be judged because I know I'm myself again and I'm happy and I'm confident and I don't need to explain myself. Everybody, so the second layout na tayo ngayon. We're working so fast. Everyone's so good. And I'm just so excited for this look. This is something that I don't usually do and wear, but I love the concept, so I said yes. Siguro kasi pag bold hair, you can do a lot with it. So, yung mga decisions mo na hindi expected ng ibang tao, I feel like that what makes it bold. Well, this is my favorite hairstyle. I think you see it naman on my social media. But I mixed it with something that I'm not usually comfortable with. But if you go out of your box and try something new, I think that's what makes you more interesting and, again, bold. I didn't join Miss Universe Philippines just for me to win. I wanted to reclaim space. So me being a mom, being in my 30s, joining Miss Universe Philippines, being able to do this shoot with everyone and to show it to everybody, I think it's a statement na parang I can have my space and you can take yours. If kaya ko, kaya mo din. Ang dami mong pagdadaanan when you see hair fall, di ba? When you see your hair nagiging thin na siya. But again,
when you go back to who you are, when you own your roots, when you're confident sa sarili mo, I think that's what help you regain and claim your crown. Again, there are solutions for that. Pero kung hindi ka sigurado sa sarili mo, mas mawawala ka talaga kung anong gagawin mo. With Clinique de Paris and with your confidence back, I think your crown will always be there on top of your head. Yes, hi guys! So this is the third layout, as you can see. Super different, super powerful. I'm so excited to see the photos. Actually, lahat naman excited ako to see. You know what, being a woman kasi I think our superpower, and I think I'll say it's also claiming authority, is that we wear as many hats as we can. So we can be anything we want to be. So we can be a mother, we can be Miss Universe Philippines, we can be a doctor, we can be a lawyer, all at the same time. And that for me is something really strong, and that for me is taking a stand and showing that I can do anything I want, diba? And that's taking authority of what they want to do for themselves. That's a tough question because you know what? Now that I have my confidence back, now that I feel like I'm win-win but more, I don't remember kung ano na ako nung time na nagsastruggle ako na parang I don't want to think about it because past is past. Feel like I have the power to just move on and the power to feel stronger. But I still acknowledge what happened to me before, but I don't want to dwell in the past. I just show everybody that wherever I go, wherever I am, that I matter, that I have the voice, I have an opinion, and hindi ako pwedeng is-silence if I have something to say, as long as I know that, you know, I don't step on anybody's toes, I don't hurt anybody. I will stand tall and just be me and say that I can make a difference in every way that I can.
I'm Winwyn and we're done with the shoot. This is the last layout. I'm so happy. I saw the photos, yung mga raw photos. I'm just so excited for the outcome. I'm so happy to be working with everybody here for the first time. So yeah, last layout, done na. Yes!